The night sky has captivated humanity for millennia. We gaze up at the stars, planets, and moon, seeking answers and feeling a sense of wonder. But few celestial displays ignite the imagination quite like the Aurora Borealis, more commonly known as the Northern Lights.
Imagine this, curtains of vibrant green, tinged with hues of pink and violet, dancing across the night sky.
For centuries, these shimmering lights have inspired awe and countless myths and legends.
Today we understand the science behind this captivating phenomenon, yet it hasn't diminished its magic one bit.
The year 2024 promises to be an exceptional one for Aurora enthusiasts. Scientists predict that the Earth will be graced with an unusually spectacular show of the Northern Lights.
Imagine the Earth enveloped in a protective bubble, an invisible shield deflecting the constant barrage of solar wind.
As these charged particles funnel down towards the poles, they interact with the gases in our atmosphere. This is where the magic truly happens. Our atmosphere is a delicate mix of gases, primarily nitrogen and oxygen.
This excited state is unstable and the atoms quickly release the excess energy in the form of light.
Nitrogen, on the other hand, can produce beautiful blue and purple displays.
Understanding the science behind the Aurora Borealis doesn't diminish its beauty. Instead, it adds another layer of appreciation, a sense of awe at the intricate workings of the universe and our place within it. The Sun, our very own star, isn't a static entity. It pulsates with a life force all its own, a rhythm known as the solar cycle.
It is during these periods of heightened solar activity that the Earth is bathed in a more intense solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly emanating from the Sun.
Scientists predict that the next solar maximum will occur in 2025, and the years leading up to it, including 2024, promise to be a time of heightened auroral activity.
The Earth, bathed in the energized breath of the Sun, will become a canvas for this cosmic dance of light.
The intensity and visibility of the Aurora Borealis also depend on a delicate interplay of factors, including the orientation of the Earth's magnetic field.
All these elements must align in a celestial choreography to create the most spectacular auroral displays.
This means that the stage is set for an extraordinary display of the Northern Lights.
A celestial performance that could surpass anything we've witnessed in recent memory.
The Sun's influence on the Aurora Borealis extends far beyond just the intensity of the solar wind.
These different particles, each carrying its own unique energy signature, interact with the Earth's atmosphere in distinct ways, influencing the colors and forms that dance across the sky.
Electrons, on the other hand, can excite nitrogen molecules, resulting in mesmerizing blue and purple hues.
A fast-moving, dense solar wind can trigger sudden bursts of auroral activity, causing the lights to shimmer and dance rapidly across the sky.
In 2024, with the Sun approaching its peak activity, we can anticipate a richer, more diverse solar wind.
This, in turn, could lead to more vibrant and varied auroral displays with a wider spectrum of colors.
It's a tantalizing prospect for Aurora enthusiasts.
A chance to witness the full artistic potential of this cosmic phenomenon. While the Sun may be the driving force behind the Aurora Borealis, it's the Earth's own magnetic field that sets the stage for this celestial performance.
Near the Earth's magnetic poles, these lines of force funnel downwards, creating pathways for the charged particles of the solar wind to penetrate deeper into our atmosphere.
The shape and intensity of these displays are directly influenced by the configuration of the Earth's magnetic field at any given time.
During periods of heightened solar activity, such as the solar maximum approaching in 2025, the Earth's magnetic field can become more energized and unstable.
This leads to more frequent and intense auroral displays.
Furthermore, the Earth's magnetic field isn't perfectly symmetrical.
This constant dance between the Earth and the Sun creates an ever-changing dynamic spectacle in the sky,
ensuring that no two auroral displays are ever quite the same. The Aurora Borealis, often described as a celestial ballet, is far from a static light show.
Other times, it erupts in a dazzling spectacle of vibrant curtains, arcs, and rays, dancing across the sky with an almost otherworldly energy. Sometimes the aurora appears as a faint ethereal glow, a subtle wash of color gracing the horizon.
The specific forms and movements of the aurora are determined by a complex interplay of factors.
During periods of intense solar activity, like the one anticipated in 2024, the aurora can become particularly dynamic.
This heightened activity can also push the auroral oval further away from the poles,
making this celestial spectacle visible to a wider audience.
It's this dynamism, this constant state of flux, that makes the Aurora Borealis such a captivating and awe-inspiring phenomenon. The year 2024 holds particular promise for aurora enthusiasts, not just because of the approaching solar maximum, but also because of a fortunate celestial alignment.
During this period, the Earth's magnetic field will be tilted in a way that allows a greater influx of charged particles from the solar wind to penetrate deeper into the atmosphere.
Furthermore, the Earth will be positioned in a region of space where the solar wind is expected to be denser and faster moving.
This means that the auroral ovals are likely to expand, making the northern lights visible at lower latitudes than usual.
This confluence of factors creates a perfect storm for an auroral spectacle of extraordinary proportions.
Scientists predict that during this period, the northern lights could be visible as far south as the northern United States and even parts of Europe,
offering a rare opportunity for millions of people to witness this breathtaking phenomenon firsthand.
Imagine gazing up at the night sky, not just seeing stars, but witnessing a vibrant, dynamic display of celestial light.
While scientists can make educated predictions about the intensity and frequency of auroral displays, the Aurora Borealis retains an element of unpredictability.
It's this unpredictable nature, this element of surprise, that adds to the allure of the northern lights.
Even with sophisticated monitoring equipment and advanced prediction models, pinpointing the exact time and location of the most spectacular auroral displays is still a challenge.
This unpredictability is part of what makes the Aurora Borealis so special.
It's a reminder that we are not in complete control of our universe.
This element of surprise adds a thrill to the chase, a sense of adventure for those who seek out the northern lights.
While we can't predict the aurora with absolute certainty, we can increase our chances of witnessing this celestial spectacle by paying attention to space weather forecasts.
The Aurora Borealis is a fickle performer, but when it does grace the sky with its presence, it's a sight that will stay with you forever.
The Aurora Borealis is most famously associated with its vibrant green hues, a spectacle that paints the night sky with an ethereal glow.
But the aurora's palette extends far beyond this single shade.
Depending on the energy of the solar particles, the altitude at which the collisions occur, and the types of gases involved, the aurora can shimmer and dance in a breathtaking array of colors.
It's a celestial kaleidoscope, a testament to the dynamic interplay of energy and matter in our universe.
As the energy of the solar wind increases, the aurora's colors can intensify, shifting from subtle glows to vibrant displays.
At even higher altitudes, where the atmosphere is thinner, collisions with oxygen molecules can produce rare and breathtaking displays of red auroras.
These crimson hues, often described as resembling a fiery sunset, add a touch of drama and intensity to the auroral display.
A reminder of the immense energy unleashed by our sun.
Section 2. Beyond the green veil. While green is the most common color of the Aurora Borealis, those fortunate enough to witness a multicolored display are treated to a truly unforgettable spectacle. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just one, but a multitude of colors swirling and dancing in a harmonious ballet. It's a sight that evokes a sense of wonder and awe, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lie beyond our planet. Occasionally, the Aurora Borealis can even exhibit shades of pink, orange and yellow, creating a truly mesmerizing tapestry of color. The Aurora Borealis is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a multisensory experience that can captivate the ears as well. While the sounds of the aurora are often subtle and easily masked by ambient noise, those who have experienced them describe a range of ethereal and otherworldly sounds, from gentle crackling and hissing to booming claps and whistles. Imagine standing beneath the dancing lights, a symphony of sound accompanying the visual spectacle above.
The exact mechanisms behind the sounds of the aurora are still a subject of scientific investigation, but it's believed that they are generated by electromagnetic disturbances in the upper atmosphere caused by the influx of charged particles from the sun. These disturbances can create audible sound waves, much like the static discharge of a lightning bolt, albeit on a much smaller scale.
Some witnesses describe the sounds of the aurora as a gentle crackling or hissing, similar to the sound of static electricity or burning embers. Others report hearing louder, more distinct sounds like claps, pops, or whistles that seem to coincide with the movement and intensity of the lights. Imagine a celestial orchestra, the movements of the aurora, conducting a symphony of otherworldly sounds, a chorus of whispers and roars accompanying the dance of light above.
The elusive nature of the aurora's sounds only adds to their mystique. Factors like wind, temperature, and background noise can all affect the audibility of these sounds, making them a rare and special treat for those fortunate enough to experience them. It's a reminder that the Aurora Borealis is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a phenomenon that engages multiple senses, immersing the observer in a world of wonder and mystery.
Witnessing the Aurora Borealis is an experience that transcends mere sightseeing. It's an immersive encounter with the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Imagine standing under a vast, star-studded sky, the air crisp and cold, a sense of anticipation hanging in the air. Then, as if by magic, the northern horizon begins to glow with an otherworldly light.
The aurora, in its full glory, is not just something you see, it's something you feel. The air crackles with energy, the hair on your arms might stand on end, and a sense of awe washes over you as the sky erupts in a dazzling display of color and movement. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, a tiny planet bathed in the energy of a star millions of miles away.
The Aurora's dance is a silent ballet, yet it speaks volumes. It whispers tales of distant stars and the invisible forces that govern our universe. It's a reminder that there are still mysteries to be unraveled, wonders to be explored, and that the natural world is full of surprises.
As the lights dance and shimmer above, casting an ethereal glow on the landscape below, you might find yourself whispering in quiet awe, your breath catching in your throat, your heart pounding with a primal excitement. It's an experience that stays with you long after the final curtain falls, a memory etched in your mind's eye, a testament to the beauty and grandeur of the cosmos.
The year 2024 promises a rare and spectacular show of the Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet choreographed by the sun and staged in the vast theatre of our atmosphere. It serves as a potent reminder of our place in the grand cosmic scheme, a testament to the interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the intricate dance between energy and matter.
Each shimmering curtain of light, each rippling arc of color tells a story of solar winds, magnetic fields, and the delicate balance of gases. The Aurora Borealis encapsulates the essence of scientific inquiry, igniting our collective sense of wonder and inspiring us to look beyond the everyday.
The Aurora Borealis beckons us to venture beyond our homes, to embrace the darkness, and to reconnect with the natural world. It's a call to adventure, an invitation to witness a phenomenon that has captivated humanity for generations.
Imagine standing under a canopy of stars, the air crisp and still, as the northern horizon begins to glow with an otherworldly light. You're treated to a celestial ballet of shimmering curtains, rippling arcs, and pulsating waves of color.
In that moment, as you stand witness to the Aurora Borealis, you're reminded of the interconnectedness of all things. Let us venture out into the darkness, lift our gaze to the heavens, and allow ourselves to be captivated by the magic and mystery of the Aurora Borealis.